I figured out how to study so efficiently that it feels like life is on easy mode. Have you ever spent days cramming, only to get the same grades as your friend who studied at the last minute? It's incredibly frustrating, right? And even worse, are you missing out on weekend plans, ignoring your group chats, and still getting mediocre results? You don't have to live like that. I'm here to ensure your brain thrives for the right reasons from now on. The truth is, you're not the problem, it's the dull and ineffective way you've been taught to study. In this guide, I'll share my top strategies to help you study smarter, not harder. You'll learn how to cut your study time by more than half while still achieving top grades. These techniques are so effective that even average students can master them. The best part? You won't have to sacrifice your weekend plans every time a test comes around. So, let's get started. Number 8. Eliminate sugary snacks. Cut out sugary snacks to enhance your brain power. It's a major mistake. Sugar gives you a quick energy boost but then leads to a crash, slowing down your brain and making it harder to focus and retain information. Scientific studies from UCLA show that excessive sugar reduces cognitive function and impairs memory retention. So, ditch the sweets and opt for brain-boosting alternatives like nuts, fish, and berries. These healthier snacks provide sustained energy, keep your brain sharp, and help you stay focused longer without the dreaded sugar crash. Number 7. Positive thinking matters. Change your mindset to change your grades. Your mindset matters more than you think. If you sit down to study believing it's going to be endless and boring, it probably will be. On the other hand, if you tell yourself it's going to be quick, easy, and productive, your brain will respond positively. Harvard studies have proven that positive thinking can significantly boost performance. Try repeating affirmations like, "I can finish this topic in 30 minutes," or "I can easily understand this." When you think positively, your brain releases chemicals that reduce stress and help you focus, making it easier to absorb information faster. Number 6. The timer trick. Work faster with time limits. Stop wasting endless hours studying inefficiently. Instead, set a timer for 30 minutes and challenge yourself to get as much done as possible within that time. This technique, inspired by the Pomodoro method, helps create a sense of urgency and focus. Your brain will enter a productive state where distractions are minimized, and you work faster. Plus, studies have shown that breaking tasks into time chunks helps reduce procrastination and keeps your mind sharp, as it knows a break is coming soon. Number 5. Focus on key content. The 80-20 rule for studying. Not all study material is equally important. The famous 80-20 rule states that 20% of the content will give you 80% of the results. So, identify the most critical topics and focus on those first. These are usually the concepts your teacher repeats often, the ones highlighted in summaries, or the sections that frequently appear on past exams. When you focus on the key concepts first, you avoid wasting time on irrelevant details, helping you learn faster and more effectively. Number 4. Reverse learning. Start with the answers. Why spend hours reading the entire textbook when you can work backward? Begin by looking at the questions and answers at the end of each chapter. This strategy helps you understand what the test will focus on and what information is most critical. Working from the answers backward also strengthens your ability to identify key patterns and connections between concepts, which speeds up comprehension and helps you retain information longer. Number 3. Tackle your weaknesses head-on. Stop reviewing the topics you already know and focus on areas where you're struggling. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone, but real progress happens when you challenge yourself. Make a list of the subjects or topics you find challenging and tackle them head-on. Try using horizontal learning by connecting related concepts. This method deepens your understanding and reduces the time needed to grasp complex ideas by creating connections in your brain. Number 2. Harness the power of AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can revolutionize the way you study. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7 to help you understand complex concepts, create summaries, generate quizzes, and even provide practice questions tailored to your learning style. With the right prompts, you can condense hours of study into minutes and stay focused on the essentials. AI tools speed up your learning process by breaking down difficult topics into digestible bits and offering personalized explanations, so you don't waste time being confused. Number 1. Learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat the same mistakes over and over again. Keep a dedicated notebook or digital document where you record your mistakes from quizzes, assignments, and practice tests. Review them before every exam to reinforce what you've learned and avoid making the same errors again. Revisiting your mistakes helps your brain identify patterns and gaps, making you a faster learner and improving your long-term retention. With these techniques, you'll spend less time stressing and more time achieving top grades. Share this guide with a friend who needs help studying smarter, and let me know if you have any other secret study tricks. Good luck acing your next exam.